Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a Word document on your Android phone. To begin, open the Microsoft Word document you wish to sign using your mobile app. Before you start, consider whether you will draw your signature directly on the screen or insert an existing image of your signature. Having your signature ready will streamline the entire process, making it quick and efficient. This initial step is crucial for a smooth signing experience. Once your document is open, access the Draw tab within your app. Here, you will find various pen tools to select from. Choose one that suits your preference. Carefully use your finger or a stylus to draw your signature directly onto the screen at the desired location. If you prefer to use a pre-made signature, navigate to the Insert tab and select Pictures to add your signature image file. You can then easily adjust its size and placement. After you have successfully added your signature, it is vital to save your changes immediately. Look for the Save or Done option, usually located in the top right or left corner of your screen. If you need to keep the original unsigned document, use Save as to create a new copy. For sharing, use the built-in share functionality of your application to send it via email, messaging services, or cloud storage. Before finalizing, take a moment to review your document thoroughly. Ensure your signature is clearly visible and correctly positioned, and that all other information remains accurate. For maximum security, convert the signed Word document to a PDF file before sending it. This conversion locks the document, preventing any unintended alterations or tampering. Always use secure sharing methods, such as encrypted email or secure cloud services, to protect your sensitive information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.